Setting up account center in Facebook is very easy and simple. So let's start the video. What you have to do is tap on these three horizontal lines and go to the settings and privacy. Go to the settings. Here tap on account centers. Here you'll find your account. Tap on it. To add accounts on account center, you have to tap on add account. Then here you can tap on continue. Then simply tap on continue again and it will set up your account center. So here we are done. I hope this video will help you out in fixing your account centers. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial.